The final step in creating this mold is to generate a tooling split. This allows me to take a block and separate it into the core and cavity tools. The first thing I'll do is create a plane that will represent the interface between the core and cavity blocks. I'll create a plane offset 1 inch from the top flat face of the part. Next, I'll activate the tooling split feature from the Molds toolbar. When prompted to select a plane, I'll select the offset plane I just created. Notice I'm automatically in Edit Sketch mode. Now I can define the shape and size of the mold blocks I'll be using. I'll exit the sketch, and the Tooling Split Property Manager appears. The first section allows me to specify the thickness of the mold blocks. The first value is for the block in direction 1. Direction 1 is the direction indicated with a single arrowhead in the graphics area. I'll set this to 3 inches. And direction 2 will be 5 inches. I'm also going to select the Interlock Surface option. This will automatically generate an interlock surface to help align the mold blocks when they're put together, as well as keeping them aligned when they're closed. I'll specify 5 degrees as the angle for the interlock surface. Notice the remaining fields are already filled. The core, cavity, and parting surfaces necessary to define the mold are already selected. I'll click OK, and in a few seconds, SolidWorks will have a complete mold created. I'll hide the upper block and the part itself so you can see the mold cavity block. And now, the core block.